In this very episode, I'm going to walk you through the step by step without any step skipped how you can successfully add your shipping address to your 1688 mobile app without any stress. Before you add a successful shipping address to your 1688 mobile app, you have to get a shipping agent who will issue you with their warehouse address. Then you add your shipping mark to the warehouse address that you will be issued to. So without much ado, let me just take my smartphone and go add address to the 1688 mobile app successfully. In my case, for instance, this is the warehouse address I'm going to add to the 1688 mobile app. This address is one of my traders or the market women that I import goods for directly on her behalf. So that is her warehouse address. So what I need to do from here is to select everything just as you can see from here. Then I've copied it just as you can practically see everything from this interface. So what I need to do from here is to go launch my 1688 mobile app just as you can see. So this is the home page of my 1688 mobile app. So uh, whilst I'm at the home page of the 1688 mobile app, what I need to do from here is to click on the me icon or the dashboard. So I go click there where you can see the human head, something like a human head at the far right down corner. So I click at that part. It brings me to this very interface. So from here you can see where we have the two items that I have ordered them, yet they are yet to be parcel and delivered to my shipping agent. Then orders that are in transit, that is where the van is and all that in that order. So I will talk about this in my next episode. Notwithstanding, in order to add a successful address to my 1688 mobile app, when you come to this very interface, what you need to do from here is to click at the settings icon at the very far top where it has circled. So I click at that part. Now, from this very interface, I click on the second option, that is address management. So I click on the second option. So you can see that I have series of addresses that has been added to my 1688 mobile app. These are various customers that I import goods on their behalf. So in order to add this address for the first time, what I need to do from here is to click on the very down part where we have the with the orange background. So I click there. From this interface, what I need to do from here is to click at the very top where it has circled, this very part. Then the warehouse address or the shipping address that I have copied earlier from my note part or from my notebook, I just paste it here. So what I need to do from here is to click or clear the shipping mark away from there. So you can see everything carefully. So I carefully clear everything from here. So from here, what I need to do is to click on the Chinese character in pink to autofill those sections for me. I click there. You can see that it has auto-filled the needed sections that it has to be filled. So what I need to do from this next interface is this part where we need to write message to the supplier. I clear everything from there. Then I now paste the whole shipping address together with the tracking number there. So here is the shipping address. So here is the shipping address. Carefully, you can see everything. When I scroll down, so you can see the shipping mark of my client that I have also added here successfully. So in order to do that, why do I add the shipping mark to it? So that when the shipping company takes delivery of the goods, they will know that this goods belongs to this particular supplier, or this goods belongs to this particular client, and so on and so forth. So when you are done doing all these things, what you need to do is to click on the very down part with the orange background, in orange background. So I click at that part. So having clicked on that part, if I go and scroll through the addresses that I have already added in my on my 1688 mobile app, you could see that it will also appear in it here successfully. So you can see it as VVLab Trading Enterprise. So you can see it has been added successfully. In your case, for instance, if you have not added any address to your 1688 mobile app before and it is your first time, you will only see the address that you have added on that particular site or the app for the first time, you see it appearing here. So it means as soon as you have added it to it, you can um, buy, pay, and ship directly from the System 88 mobile app without any stress. So guys, this is how we successfully add address to your System 88 mobile app without any stress. Notwithstanding, if you have another shipping company that you want to add their address to reach to, you can follow the same procedure and go do that without any stress. So guys, here comes the end of today's episode on how to add a successful shipping address on the 1688 mobile app. If you find value in this tutorial, do let me know in the comment section. It is your comment that gives the morale. You can follow me on all my social media handle on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and on WhatsApp channel. You can check in the description for more tutorial. See you in my next tutorial.